My dear students, so let's go with this question number 4a. Simplify. Okay. Now, what to simplify? Here in the question, we are given this expression. Okay. So let's see the solution. Let me note down the expression. Yes. Only first we will solve this. Let's see how to go. First, I am writing this expression. Okay. 3x then 4x minus 5 plus 3. And for the different value x equal to 3 and for x equal to 1 half, we have to find the value of this expression. Okay, but some of the students, they used to do the mistake. They quickly, when they see this expression, they start putting this value in that. No, here clearly written, we need to simplify first. Okay, so let's work out on that. As we know, this is in a product, this is also in a product. So we need to multiply first 3x with 4x minus, then 3x will be multiplied by 5 and this is plus 3. Let me write it separate. Okay. So what do we have here? Just go with that. We will have here 3 4 12. X into x gives the result x square minus 3 5 15x and this is plus 3. So finally, this algebraic expression is having three terms. Okay, it is trinomial. First term, second term, and third. Clear? Now, what we are going to do for x equal to 3? First, we are solving this for x equal to 3. In such a case, what we have to do? We need to repeat this expression what we have already solved. Okay. So, let me note down here 12x square minus 15x plus 3. This is our expression. Okay. I am separating here and we will go with the another side by side. Now I am going to put the value. Look at your screen. See here 12 is already there. In bracket I am writing it's a value of x. What is the value of x here we are given? So we are writing it here 3 in place of that. Okay, here also 3. Now this is 12 already with us. And what is the meaning of 3 square? The meaning of 3 square is not 3 to just 6. Don't write, it is wrong. 3 into 3. 3 square indicate that 2 times 3 we have to write. Clear? Minus. Further, 15 is already there. Okay. Now, what is the relationship between these two? They are connected with product. So, 15 into 3. 15 3 ja 45 and plus 3 is here, let it be as it is. Okay, so what we have done, we have multiplied with this. Okay, this 2 is having multiplication. 4 15 3 ja 45. Now let's multiply all this. 12 into 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9 we know, and 12 into 9 gives the result 135. 12 9 ja 135. Let's see. No, 12 9 ja 108. Sorry, 135 is 15 9 ja. So I'm correcting. This is 108. 12 9 ja 108 minus 45. And of course, this is 3. Now, all of you know very well two numbers are connected positively. Means this is positive, this is positive. So let's add them. 108 plus 3 gives the result 111 minus 45. So let's subtract. 11 minus 4 gives the result 6. Here it will be 0. Again carry from here. So here 11 minus 4 gives the result 76. Okay. So here again 6 plus 5. Let's work out upon that. 6 plus 5, 11, 1. Carry over 1, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. So here it will be 66 answer. Not 67, but it is 66. This is the solution of when we are putting the value of x equal to 3 in this expression. Okay. Now we are going to put the value x equal to 1/2. Okay. Okay. Answer is, again I am checking. 108 plus 3, 111. This is minus 45. This is minus 45, correct? So 11 minus 5. Okay, 11 minus 5, that is 6, correct? 11 minus 5, 6, correct? Here it will be 10. So 11 minus 4, it will be 76. No, it is 66 only. That is correct. 66 is correct because when we are adding 6 plus 5, it's absolutely correct. Okay, let's go with this now. What is that? Let's work out upon this thing. So x equal to 1/2, here we need to put. So 12x square minus 15x plus 3. 66 is the correct solution. Now here 12 in place of x square minus 15, this is and plus 3. Okay, whatever the expression we need to write along with the blank, and now we are going to put this value. It is 1/2, this is also 1/2. So 12 is already there. We know 1/2 whole square. 1/2 whole square is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So can I say it is 1 by 4? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 gives the result 1 by 4 minus 15 1 ja 15 divide by 2. Once again 15 1 ja 15 divide by 2 and this plus 3 equal to. Now let's simplify. If I move out with this, then here it will be 3. So I will have here 3 minus 15 plus 3 by here 2 will be left. Okay. Now again we know that 3 plus 3 gives the result 6 minus 15 by 2. So what to do? How to simplify this? We need to take LCM. So we need to divide it by 1. So LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. LCM of 1 and 2 will be 2. So here we need to multiply with 2. Here we want to multiply with 1. So LCM will be 2. 6 2 ja 12. 12 minus 15 upon 2. 12 minus 15 by 2. So when we subtract this, the answer will be minus 3. Okay, I am writing the answer here. 12 minus 15 by 2. The answer will be minus 3 by 2. This is the complete solution. Exercise 9.3. It's a question number 4. It's a B part. Let me read the question. Simplify a square plus a plus 1 bracket over plus 5. This is the algebraic expression. This we are given the expression. First of all, I am writing the same here. A square plus a plus 1 plus 5. Now don't jump to put the value what we are given here first. Okay. First of all, here it is clearly mentioned simplify. So we need to simplify this expression first. Okay. So how to simplify? So as we know that monomial is outside the bracket and we are going to multiply this 3 terms means trinomial. Product of monomial with trinomial at that time, don't go with plus 5, hide it, it will remain same as it is. Afterwards we will add it. So first we multiply this with this, then this and then this. So a into a square, product of a with a square, then plus product of a with a plus product of a into 1, and of course this plus 5 additional term, that let it be as it is. Okay, what I have done, I am explaining again. First I have multiplied monomial with first term, this monomial with second term, and the monomial with the third term, and this additional term I kept it as it is. So a into a square, it gives the result a cube. A into A gives the result A square. A into 1 gives the result A, and this is 5. So this is the simplification. This is actually what we are given exactly in the expression which we have simplified, we have written in a simplification form. Now, first value is A equal to 0. Let's write here A equal to 0. Now, what I am going to do? The expression is A cube plus A square plus A plus 5. Okay. In this, what I am going to do? I am going to put the value. Which value I am going to put? This cube of this, then square of this, then A and this 5. Okay. So what is the value of A we are given? First, we need to write it 0 here. So 0, 0, 0, because A equal to 0 in the first we are given. So let's simplify. 0 cube is 0 into 0 into 0. 0, don't write 3, because 0 cube with 0 square is also 0. 0 plus 5. So total is your answer 5. Okay. So first solution is A equal to 5. Got it? Now in a second part, what we are going to do? In the same, I am going to change the value. Okay. Expression remains same, but in second part, I am going to put the value A equal to 1. Here it is A equal to 1 in second part, that I am first mentioning here. A equal to 1. This value I am going to put in this expression. A cube plus A square plus A plus 5. So what I should do here? Now this is the cube, this is the square, this is A and this is 5. Okay, so let's apply the value A equal to 1 here. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 1 square is 1 into 1, 1. This is also 1 and this is 5. So what will be the total? 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1 means 8. So the solution of second part of question number 4, it's the B part, is coming 8. Okay. Now we are working upon third part. Okay. What is the third? We have to find for that A equal to minus 1. So for the same expression, we are going to put the value of third part. Here I am changing. This is third part and A equal to minus 1. Now I am putting this value here. This is the cube, square, A plus 5. Okay. Simply nothing I have to do. Put the value of A minus 1 now. Minus 1, minus 1. We know that minus 1 cube. Now this is very important step. Minus 1 cube indicate minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. In class 7 in first chapter integer, we have learned that the product of three negative integers, it will be negative. And after all, 1 into 1 into 1, it will be 1. And the positive integer, product of negative integer with negative, because 2 time it means minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, product of two negative integers gives the result positive. And of course, plus minus minus, and this is 5. Now just look at which two terms are positive here. Of course, you will say plus 1 and plus 5. Can I say 1 plus 5 is 6? Of course, which two terms are negative? Minus 1 and minus 1. Both are negative, but minus minus also plus. But sign remain minus. So 1 plus 1 is 2. But the sign of this will be minus. So 6 minus 2, the final answer of this is coming 4. Okay, so this is the first we have written the expression. We solve the expression in a simplest form, and then one by one three different value in place of a we put, and we got the three different answers. Okay.